legs out and then just cross your ankles, right?
Did you build it? You did? Where you work?
West Coast State Supply.
Oh, okay.
Transistor right there.
How long you been building bikes? Forever?
It's like the past 2 years, because at our vape shop we have like half the warehouse is motorcycle parts and half is like vape stuff.
Oh, okay. You can relax. You can relax your hands. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Someone helped, like, you build it at the shop there? With people that work there or what?
Me mostly.
Oh, really? Yeah, that's pretty good work, dude. You gotta wear a helmet though, at least.
Yeah.
Pressure dome, you know? How much did it cost to build?
100 motor, a speed controller, and 900 battery.
What kind of motor is it?
Some motor from China.
Knockoff Tesla battery or whatever?
I mean, that's a speed controller in the gas tank.
Where are you headed to right now?
Still the vape.
How far in your home from home, right?
No, I was walking back.
Yeah, let me have you
I
walk
work
back.
right here.
Alright, I'm gonna have you walk back, right? I'm not gonna cite you for not having your helmet, but at the end of the day, I mean, we're gonna pull you over. Alright. So, yeah, do me a favor, just walk it back, right?
Thank you.
Okay, you got it.
There, man.
Later.
Hey, good job, though.
Thank you.
Everything makes sense.
I've seen the electric motorcycles, but I've never seen one that looks like a actual motorcycle.
Don't knock it over. Alright, he's trying to. If you want, just park it and call a buddy of yours to come get it for you. You know what I'm saying?
I'll just walk it back.
Trust us, you don't have to.
It's too heavy to.
Hey, just ride it back. But just carefully ride it back. Without,
Alright.
without crashing and killing yourself. Cool?
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Later.
Nothing, they let me go. You too. Thank you.